Hello ladies and gents, for all purposes and intents, I'll be showing you how to make a tone for your iPhone. But first, there are a few steps we'll have to do before we can get to that part. And step number 1 is to show the file name extensions. I've already brought up the window on my computer and I googled the instructions for it. So I'll just be following these steps. So first, I'm going to click Start, open the control panel, click Appearance and Personalization, click Folder Options, bring this in, click View, and look for Hide Extensions for known file types. Make sure this box is unchecked. I've already been manipulating these, so I've no need to click it, but you might want to. After that, click Apply and OK. Our next step is to make sure that your iPhone is hooked up to your computer and that you have iTunes installed. Oh, and having a computer wouldn't hurt either. Open up iTunes. These are already some of the tunes that I've already messed with, but I'm going to show you how to make one. Here, music. I'm going to do Jump. Sounds nice, isn't it? It's too big for a ringtone. However, stop right there and make a quick little tone. One more thing. Go over to Edit, Preferences, Import Settings, and make sure that import using is the AAC encoder. Get info. A ringtone is generally less than 30 seconds. So, start time. I want to start at the very beginning. And then I want to go, let's say, 20 seconds in. This counts as 20 seconds. Alright. Now it should jump whenever it jumped when I got to 20 seconds. Next, you're going to create an AAC version of that song. Alright, it's not finished yet. Next, before you forget, unclick Start and Stop Time, otherwise whenever you play that song, it's going to just play that part. Now you have a 20-second song of Jump. Alright. You want to bring up... No. Let's just do Control Panel. No. Bring up your files. Go to Music, or wherever you have your music stored. I have it stored in iTunes. I don't even have to search for it. Just go up in the search bar, look for it. Now I have both of the songs. Here's the 3-minute version. I like to double check it. Length, alright, that means this other one is the copy. Of course the name gave it away. So what I'm going to do is rename it. I'm just going to name it Jump. And this part is important. You can ruin your song if you do it the wrong way. .m for R. Yes, you want to change it. Don't be scared. Now in iTunes, it's not going to play. Next part you want to do is to delete that 20-second song. Alright? Brilliant. Open with iTunes. See, now it's playing it. Check tones. And now there is your new tone. And now I just saved you 69 cents or 99 cents so you could just buy the song and manipulate it however you want to. Congratulations. And that's it. Hope that this was thorough enough for you and that you enjoy making your tones and giving them to other people and or using them for waking up early in the morning like I do. Till next time, out.